Coronavirus. Coronaviruses are the large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals and also in our humans. In humans, several coronavirus are known to cause respiratory infections. That means lungs are affected first. That means it starts from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome called as MERS. This is the international and known term disease here. Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome called as SARS. Two diseases are important syndromes, MERS, SARS. The most recent discovery of the coronavirus has caused coronavirus disease. That means earlier same coronavirus spread into MERS disease, SARS disease, but this time a new SARS virus, that means new coronavirus has come. It given a new disease called as COVID-19. Till now you need to understand three diseases are there with corona. MERS disease, MERS, SARS disease, SARS, and COVID-19. Since this disease attacked first in the year 2019, so it is named as COVID-19. COVID means here CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease. COVID disease 2019. That means COVID coronavirus disease 2019. And what is this COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by most recently discovered coronavirus, and we all know that where it started also. The new virus and the disease known to be outbreak in Wuhan city. You can see here that city, Wuhan city in China, in the month of December 2019. So the virus named it as coronavirus disease 2019 as coronavirus. And then what are the symptoms? Usually the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, dry cough. These three are important. Fever, tiredness. Fever is most common and dry cough also will be seen. So along with that means severe dry cough will be there and fever will be there and there will be tiredness. These three things you need to be most importantly observing. And some patients may have pains also, and through nose some runny nose will be there. That means mucus will be forming, and throat also will be tight. The throat will be tight region, and sometimes loose motions also will be caused. So this corona will make a loose motions also, and these symptoms are usually mild but begin gradually. Later and later it can go into worse, and some people become infected with some of the more symptoms infected with, and they don't develop any symptoms also. That means some people will have these symptoms, some people don't have any symptoms also, and some people are infected and develop without any symptoms are nearly 80% are there. And the recovery rate also in India especially 80% recovery, and nowhere in the country this much recovery rate is there. That means 100 people got corona means 80% are recovering with their own effects only, and recovering from the disease without needing a special treatment also. Around 1 out of every 6 people are getting affected with corona and become seriously ill. Just that means 16% only getting ill and develops difficulty breathing problems also. Usually old people are getting more. Old people and the people who are having high BP, heart problems, sugar disease and serious illness, and they are developing this all. And most things are these only. Now you are seeing no dry cough, the fever and difficulty in breathing due to that tiredness. If anything it is getting means we must seek medical attention. Understood? How it spreads first. People can catch COVID-19 from others who can have the virus also. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread with a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. That means if any person is observing these kind of things which you are seeing in the picture, then these droplets can lead to on the objects, on the telephone, on the mobile, on the lift, or on the cover. Wherever these droplets fall when the sneezing, then we will be getting, and other people then immediately will catch by touching these objects. Suppose one COVID person has come to cutting shop and you went there, and then you will be getting coronavirus. Why? Because coronavirus patient has touched all the elements in that cutting shop, barber shop, or salon shop. So like that, and we touch our eyes, nose, mouth. People can also catch COVID-19 if they breathe in droplets from the infected person of COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales droplets also. This is why it is important to stay more than 1 meter, earlier said, but now 6 feet distance at least must be followed the person when he is sick. Understood? Can it spread through air? So how it spreads? Studies till date suggest that virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through contact with respiratory droplets rather than air. Understood? So how does this spread? Means through respiratory thing. So every people can get, everywhere can get, and they deserve the right to have care in every country. And what can be seen with the symptoms here? Usually they will start with mild symptoms and will get very sick. Understood? And more importantly here, you must be aware what we are making. So we must wash our hands with soap only. Soap water, when you wash, soap molecule will kill the membrane of the virus such that it cannot link to our body. Understood? So we may feel that soap is very cheap price than sanitizer, but soap molecules are better than sanitizers. Soap, whenever you are using, the molecules of the soap will break out the membrane of the virus such that virus cannot survive on our hands. And what? Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol based or otherwise with the soap water. Washing your hands with soap water will make a virus to kill but not stay on the hands or the surfaces on our body. And maintaining 6 feet a distance is most important. Till now researches are going on, many research work are going on worldwide on coronavirus to make here, and if that successful, what will happen? It can have a great chance of curing with a vaccine. But trials are going on. Trials will be having at least 3 to 4 phases. So first trial will be done in laboratory, second trial will be done in animals, third trial will be done in humans, few group of humans, and lastly they will release into the market. So here some problems are getting. Recently one vaccine has been discovered. That vaccine, when injected into humans, backbone is swelling, the spinal cord swelling is there, so that they have stopped. Very soon then we get the vaccine also. Until that time, what we need to do? So you need to practice the alternatives of not to spread. Understood? So what we can expect the things here, we can wave our hand, the hand on the heart, namaste, how are you, the eyebrows, all good, nodding, the east coast wave, then what a word a. These kind of gestures you can follow, set by governments. And touching treatments are not allowed. Understood? That means here we must not go near to the person who are coughing, sneezing, or otherwise the person is already affected with that. And possible vaccines are about to come, and specific drug treatments are also under the investigations here. They are being tested through clinical trials. The most effective ways to protect yourself and others against COVID-19 are to frequently clean your hands, cover your cough with the bend of elbow or tissue, and maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from people who are coughing or sneezing. And how you need to protect? First, protecting yourself is not only wearing a mask if you are ill with COVID-19 symptoms, especially coughing, or looking after someone who may have already got COVID-19. And After using the mask, we must dispose it very carefully in the safest place where no people can use that mask again. Understood? And after that, there is another thing here. We can see the latest news in the coming days. Understood? This is the part 1 of that. Then we just see the next thing.